Shake It Don't Flake It Ginger Hair Care Duo. Okay.
It looked like there's Dua, so there's Dua Lipa.
Hey team, welcome back. Today we are doing our Christmas shopping. I have a list from my wife shopping for our friends and family. So nandito tayo ngayon sa Mall of Asia, The Body Shop, to do our Christmas shopping list. Let's go! Hello! Hello! I'm looking for items na I can buy for my friends and family. Ano ba marirecommend mo?
Sir, by the way, meron po kami mga limited edition.
Okay.
And it's also buy one, get one.
This one?
Yes, sir. So, it's a bumper lang.
Holiday, during holidays lang. Okay.
During holiday season.
Tapos naka-buy one, take one pa siya.
Yes, sir.
Oo, my wife uses this, so I think a lot of my friends also use this. They like this. Maganda to after maligo, no? After shower. Okay. Buy one, get one. Holiday items, very limited. Buy one, take one. Buy one, get one for free. So kahit magkaiba, okay lang siya. Okay, what else? What else can you recommend me?
Sir,
Yes.
tayo mga gift set.
Gift set. Okay, perfect. Sige. Okay, great.
Sir, meron po ba kayong list?
Meron actually. Kailangan ko for tita and tito, lolo and lola.
Sir, for Tito, Lolo, and Lola, sir, meron tayo dyan.
Okay.
Sir, meron kaming mga premium product.
Alright.
This one, sir. For your Lola, sir, maganda po ito, sir. And this is one of our best sellers.
So pag binili ko siya individually,
Sir, mas mahal.
mas mahal.
Yes.
Okay. So ito nakabundle na siya into 6.
Yes, sir.
So merong shower gel, hand cream, ano to? Pabango?
Yes, sir. Pabango, body yogurt, body scrub, and body butter.
Okay, so what do you have for kids? Maghanap din kasi ako ng items for my inaanak.
So, meron po kaming advent calendar.
Advent calendar.
This one, sir. So, ito maganda hanggang December 24. So, open mo po siya everyday.
May mga numbers siya. May mga dates.
Yes po.
Tapos you open it, tapos may item meron siya. For 3, I'll get back to you, pero gusto ko sana i-check kung ano pa yung mga items na medyo mas affordable.
So, meron din po kami yung can. Naka-can siya, sir. And then, maganda siya, sir, kasi meron siyang
Alkansya.
alkansya.
Pwede siyang gawing alkansya ng kids. Ay, that's
So,
nice.
ang maganda niyan, 20% off din siya.
This one, Ito ko muna to, but I think this one's nice. 1495, may 20% discount pa?
Opo, may 20% discount. So, meron din po kami yung hair care.
Hair care.
So, this is our best seller po, especially sa mga Chinese. It's 10% off siya.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Ito mabenta sa Chinese.
Yes.
Alright, so meron akong tito at saka tita na Chinese din. I think they would appreciate this. Okay, what else do we have here? Ay, wait lang may tumatawag. Actually, meron silang buy two, get one. Kumuha ako isa. 5 items. Sulit siya. Hanap daw ako for men.
Sir, hit.
Ayan, pwede yan for
Lalo
nin-
na, sir, pagka yung mga friends mo, medyo mabalahibo. And this is really nice. Ayun, sir.
Uy,
Pwede
bago
po
to
siyang
This is
pwede-
nice.
Sir, anything to add?
Lolubo, tsaka hindi ko sure eh. Meron yata hindi na-add yung wife ko dito pero
Sir, by the way, meron po kami call and deliver.
call and deliver.
Yes.
Okay.
So, kunyari, sir, tumawag ka ngayon din yung ibibigay namin na
Items. You guys can deliver.
Yes.
Okay, sige. Let me think about it. Siguro when I get home, tignan ko kung meron pa nakalimutan si wife. If ever, I can just do the call and deliver.
Okay, sir.
Alright? Alright guys, that is it. I've done my Christmas shopping already. I'm sure si wife would appreciate it. Ang daming promos, ang daming bundles, and ang dami din naka-sale. Hey team, welcome back. My name is Mike.
And this is Riley, and this is Riley Reviews!
Thank you for watching. This is the channel where you get updates on tech and lifestyle. And today we are going to unbox some stuff that I bought from the Body Shop.
And we have 2 packages today.
Two?
Oh, we have 3 packages today. We're gonna unbox.
We're gonna check them out, no?
Yeah.
We can have a challenge here. Is where you will guess the gifts that I bought. Mama asked me to buy some gifts for our
Family.
family and
Ninang's
Ninang's.
and
Tito Alex.
Tita Alex.
Oh, Ninang is fine. Okay, Ninang. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the gift here, and then you're going to tell me whose gift that is for.
Apa.
Appa. Alright, so let's start with this one is really nice.
Wow.
Ooh, what is that? Check it out.
It's a lamp.
It's not a lamp.
Oh, you can put the money inside here.
Oh, you saw it already. Yes, it's like a piggy bank or a coin bank. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look
and
at that.
then you can open it like that.
How do you open that?
I don't know.
What do you think that is for? What do you think that is for?
Ninang?
Ninang, are you sure? Let's start with the
Ninang
family
Malay.
first. Oh, Mama, I think asked me to buy this for
Lola po?
Lola Pong. Very good. You are right. We have a lot of stuff here inside. And you want to see?
Apa.
Okay, so this one is shaped like a snow globe. Have you seen a snow globe before? No?
No?
I think I should buy you a snow globe. Okay, so this one is shaped like a snow globe, and Riley saw it already. There's a
Coincide.
hole where you can put
A money.
a money. How do you open up? Like this.
Oh!
Ooh.
What's inside?
What is
Ooh.
that? What is that?
I don't know.
Inside is banana nourishing conditioner, and I'm guessing this is shampoo. Banana shampoo. Yep.
What's inside on that?
I don't know. Let's check it out.
Take it out.
Okay. Wait a minute.
And that.
So we have shampoo. We also have shower gel.
We already see
Ooh,
it.
strawberry. Strawberry. You like
Strawberry.
strawberries, right? You want to smell it? Smell it. Smell it.
It smells like bath bomb.
Bath bomb. You like Body Shop's bath bomb, no?
I want to use this.
This one is body butter. You say
Oh, we have this. Oh,
They're all the same, huh? Body butter. You say body butter. Body.
body butter.
Can you say it fast?
Body butter.
Okay, we have that. I'm guessing this also smells like strawberry.
Smells like butter.
Don't touch it, huh?
Wow.
Tastes yummy. Lick it. Don't lick it! Last one we have the lip butter. Say it. Lip butter.
Lip butter. I really want to eat it.
Tastes like candy, no?
Tastes like candy. Ah!
Oh, don't eat it. Okay, let's show it to them. This is what's inside this package. This snow globe case, really nice. Because you get all of this in one purchase, and then you can just separate it and give it to family members. We give this for Christmas. You ask Lola Pong for this one so that you can use it for your coins, no? Really nice, or reusable. Hindi lang siya basta tin can. Open it up like this, and then you can also reuse it as a coin bank. So snow globe, Christmas themed ng Body Shop, really nice, reusable. What's next? This one? Okay, wait. Yes, I guess. Okay, so this one.
Wow. This one is so exciting.
This one we have another shampoo and conditioner na ginger. Shake it, don't flake it, ginger hair care duo. Okay.
It looks like there's Dua, so there's Dua Lipa.
Okay, so this time we have the anti-dandruff shampoo and we have the conditioner. Can you smell it? You wanna smell it?
I already smell it.
How is it? It's okay?
It's okay.
But you like the strawberry better? You like the banana better? This one, same? Stronger.
Stronger.
Stronger. This one is a hair wrap. Okay, so after taking a bath, you use this to wrap your hair when it's wet. Show the camera. Wow! You look good. What else did we buy? This one is really nice. This one is really nice.
I will open it up.
Now that's a lot of gifts inside. This is the Soothing Almond Milk and Honey Little Gift Box. You see it?
Little gift box.
Yun lang yung nasabi mo, little gift box. It's a long It's a long word. Okay, so let's check it out. What's inside? It's a lot of stuff inside. It's amazing. Wait, let's start with this one. What is this? Give it to me, okay? Almond milk body yogurt.
Oh, Papa.
It looks like food. It's like cream cheese. So you want to eat it? Oh, you don't.
I want to smell it.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
gonna smell it. It smells very good. It smells like my shampoo when I'm a small baby.
Oh, ano? It smells like your shampoo. Nice. Stop.
Stop eating it.
This is calming and protecting hand.
Bubble. I want to
Wait,
use
hand
it.
cream. You smell it?
I smell it.
It
How about
smells
the
like ano, no?
Oh,
Almond.
there's a scrub to scrub you.
Yes, almond milk and honey.
Smells like
Okay, this one is the shower cream. I think sa ito, Riley, for sensitive dry skin.
It smells
That's good.
very good.
This was the almond milk honey.
Maybe
So
I will
itong-
use this.
What's that?
It smells
yeah.
like so good.
So inside the, what do you call this? Yung little gift box, you have the almond milk honey. You also have the almond milk honey hand cream.
I cannot taste this. I want
You
to
have the
taste
shower
it.
cream.
I want to taste it.
You have tong parang loofah na lang pang soap. Cover it up.
I want to taste it. I want the spoon to taste it.
You have the body yogurt and also the almond milk honey cleansing bar. Soap. Lahat almond milk honey. Sarap. Decorate trees. Bake with besties. Embrace Christmas cliches or be a merry maverick. Share imperfect moments and uplift everybody. Very nice message. Very nice reminder. Thank you, Body Shop, for that. Galing.
Oh,
Okay, last one. We're going to give this out to our friends and ninangs and ninongs. This one is really nice. Look. We have Christmassy hand cream
I want
by
to see it.
Trees. Look.
Wow. I think this is for Ninong Elaine.
Ninang Elaine. Okay. Ninong Alan.
Ninong Alan and
Tito Alex.
Tita Alex.
Rice. Nice.
Rice
Okay.
nice.
Rice nice. Ah, don't remove it! Actually, we have to remove it kasi we're going to give one each. Exclusive Christmas, ano ba to? Collection?
Collect.
You can only buy it during the holidays. Okay, so do we have everything here?
Apa.
Oh, who's this for? Tita
Tita
Sha?
Sha.
Okay.
And for
Lolo or Lolo? Lolo and Angkong? This one?
For
for-
Lola Pong and
Lola Esther?
no, it's for, no.
We have two of these. Are we missing someone?
We forgot Tito Nonoy and Lolo Po.
Tito Nonoy. No, you forgot Tito Nonoy. Oh no. Where's your gift for Tito Nonoy?
I don't know.
No, it's okay. We can just call them. I can just call them now. I have the number. I think it's on the paper bag. Wait, let me see. It's here. I found it.
Where?
Here. Okay, what's nice about the Body Shop is you can shop online, yes. You can also shop in store. And you can also shop via their cell phone or landline. They will give you, actually, when you purchase, they will give you a booklet of choices, mga gifts nila, or items that you can shop. No? If may nakalimutan kayo, for example, like us, nakalimutan namin kay Tito Nonoy, so you can just call and just order another of this set nitong ginger shampoo and conditioner. Tapos they can just have it delivered to you via Grab, I'm guessing, or for via Lalamove. The QR code that you can scan to check out other items that they have for purchase. So you can call the Body Shop, not just order online, but you can also call their shop or their store to order and have it delivered straight to your doorstep. But yes, that is a nice feature and service ng the Body Shop. I think now it's easier. It's way easier now. You can just have your gifts delivered. Syempre, you'd need to pay for the shipping. Pero syempre, yung hassle of you arranging, going to the mall, purchasing it, wrapping it, this one, they can do it for you. Even if you buy something like this lang, they can wrap it for you in paper bags. Tapos, they can just have it delivered sa pagre-regaluhan nyo. So, very convenient, very easy, very safe. Okay, so that's it. That's what I like about this one. The fact that you can choose a lot of items and then put them together, bundle them up. You can actually request for extra paper bags if you want to give it to someone. If you want to separate these and then combine them with other items and then add them as a gift. So, that's a plus. Itong can na to, pwede mong magtanggal or magdagdag ng items inside. Depende sa pagre-regalo nyo at yung preference mo. What's nice about the Body Shop is yung mga items sila, meron mga sizes na maliliit or malalaki. Depende sa pagbibigyan nyo. At saka syempre yung mga preference nila. So, pwede mong i-mix and match yung items. I just had to take note din yung mga items na available lang this holiday season is itong mga flavors ng warm vanilla, festive berry, winter jasmine. So, yan. Makikita nyo. Yan, so nice. So, I think this is a good purchase. What do you think of this? You like all of them? Which one's your favorite?
My favorite was this.
This one? Why are you touching this
I
one?
want to keep it.
You want to keep it? You have to give that to Lola Pong and Lola Esther.
No.
No, you
I
can just...
want to keep it. I want to keep it.
You don't even know what's inside. You can have the box na lang. Sige, I'll get all of the bat bombs, no? Si Riley, favorite niya yung bat bombs din ng The Body Shop. Ginagamit niya yung lagi sa kanyang bat. So, nakikigamit siya ng bathtub ng may bathtub para lang mag-bat bomb. Why do you like bat bombs?
Because I love bath bombs.
Why?
Because I want to make bubbles.
Okay, so that is it. Very quick unboxing. Perfect gifting ideas this holiday season for your friends and your family. Again, you don't need to go out to buy all of this. You can shop online or call the store to have the items delivered to you or to those na pagbibigyan nyo. Great. So you don't need to go out. You don't need to send it to them. Less cost on you. Easier. You can just send your gifts. Perfect. Very good. Send your gifts.
Bye, vlog.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. My daddy's ending the vlog. Bye.
Bye guys. Call and deliver The Body Shop.